Hello sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Niko kwa gari sir. Yes sir. Hata sasa naelekea kuingia CBD. Niko kwa gari sir. Yes sir. Yeah. Okay, thank you sir. Yes sir. Hey, sasa nitafanyaje boss? Acha, you tena. Hello sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Hata niko karibu sasa hizi naingia kwa ninapanda kwa stairs sir. Very soon sir I will be in the office and I will dedicate the job to the other workers. Yes sir. I've already alerted them sir. So the moment I'm going to reach the office I will inform them. Thank you sir. Hello sir. Yes sir, hata nimefika kwa ofisi na nimeonana na wao wako sawa. Ati nini sir? Ati uko kwa ofisi sir? I'm sorry sir. Sir, you are hello sir. Hello sir. You are saying I'm fired sir? Sir, I'm sorry sir. I'm sorry sir. Don't fire me sir. Sir, hello sir. Hello sir. Hello. Kazi yangu imeisha. Pause.